Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing Arena. Myself Maharshi Chauhan. Today we will discuss second part of important MCQs. So let's get started. Question first. For the prevention of further pulmonary embolism, which of the following is the correct maintenance infusion dose of intravenous heparin? Options are 18 micron per kg per hour, 38 micron per kg per hour, 28 micron per kg per hour, 48 micron per kg per hour. The correct answer is 18 micron per kg per hour. Pulmonary embolism defined as condition in which one or more arteries in the lungs become blocked by a blood clot. Pulmonary embolism is the complication of deep vein thrombosis, and heparin is used for making blood thin. Which of the following is a viral vaccine? Options are tetanus toxoid, bacilli calmette guerin, oral polio vaccine, cholera. The correct answer is oral polio vaccine. Prolapse of the uterus with eversion of the entire vagina termed as. Options are nulliparous prolapse, procedentia, complex prolapse, uterovaginal prolapse. Correct answer is procedentia. Prolapse of the uterus defined as displacement of the uterus from its original position and seen before the vagina. Which of the following tests can be used to diagnose pregnancy on the first day of the missed period, that is 28th day of cycle? Options are two-side sandwich immunoassay, direct latex agglutination test, agglutination inhibition test, enzyme linked immune assay. The correct answer is two-side sandwich immunoassay. Two-side sandwich immunoassay test device designed for the qualitative determination of HCG concentration in human urine sample, and therefore it aids in the early detection of pregnancy. HCG urine pregnancy test is a rapid device. Nutritionally dependent bacteria are called as. Options are phototropes, autotropes, heterotropes, chemotropes. The correct answer is heterotropes. Phototropes means what? The organism which depend for energy on light. Examples are algae, bacteria, that is cyanobacteria. Chemotropes what? This organism obtain energy by oxidation of electron donor in their environment. Example, sulfur oxidizing bacteria, nitrogen fixation bacteria. Autotrophs means what? The organism which make their own food. Example, green plants. Which of the following is not a type of conflict? Options are intragroup, intrapersonal, interpersonal, manifest. The correct answer is manifest. Next, what should be the size of the endotracheal tube for a newborn weight 2000 to 3000 gram? Options are 2.5, 4, 3, 3.5. The correct answer is 3.5. Next question. A nurse is caring for a patient who has had hip replacement. Which of the following findings are of paramount importance? Options are complaint of pain following physical therapy, scant body discharge on the surgical dressing, temperature of 101.8 degree Fahrenheit and complain of pain during repositioning. The correct answer is temperature of 101.8 degree Fahrenheit because it shows the sign of infection. That is why it is our first responsibility. Willis-Egbon syndrome is also known as options are Kleine-Levin syndrome, Ganser syndrome, death syndrome, restless leg syndrome. Options answer are restless leg syndrome. Restless leg syndrome means this is the condition characterized by irresistible urge to move the legs. Kleine-Levin syndrome means it is a rare disorder that causes recurring periods of excessive sleepiness. Ganser syndrome means in this individually deliberate and consciously act as if he or she has a physical or mental illness. Death syndrome means it is culture-borne syndrome of Southeast Asia where patient present with anxiety and depression attribute to semen loss. Question: which of the following is not a characteristic of endogenous depression? Options are having suicidal tendency, feeling of more sadness during evening, a better feeling when a solitude, feeling of more sadness during morning. The correct answer is feeling of more sadness during evening. Which of the following structure is located just inferior to thalamus? थैलेमस के जस्ट नीचे की साइड में कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर लोकेटेड होता है? ऑप्शंस आर सेरेबेलम, हाइपोथैलेमस, एपिथैलेमस, मेडुला. The correct answer is hypothalamus. Cerebellum is present at the back of the brain that is inferior to occipital and temporal lobes. Epithalamus is present at the dorsal aspect of the diencephalon. Medulla is present in the brainstem anterior to the cerebellum. Which of the following vaccine is administered to the newborn within 12 hours of birth? Options are rotavirus, rubella, measles, hepatitis B. The correct answer is hepatitis B. Rotavirus is live attenuated vaccine and it is given by oral route at the interval of 2, 4 and 6 months. Rubella is also known as German measles, which is spread by respiratory droplets produced from coughing and sneezing. Measles is a viral infection caused by morbivirus, which is spread through the air by respiratory droplets produced from coughing and sneezing. Hepatitis B is a serious liver infection caused by hepatitis B virus that's easily prevented by vaccine, which is commonly spread by infected body fluids. Knee joint is the example of which of the following joints? Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, saddle joint. So the correct answer is hinge joint. Knee joint is the example of hinge joint. Absolute inability to conceive for one or more reason implies options are impotence, fertility, infertility, sterility. The correct answer is infertility. Impotence means what? It is the inability in a man to achieve an erection. Fertility means it is the natural capability to produce offspring. Sterility means It is the physiological inability to effect sexual reproduction in a living things. Which of the following is not a characteristic of cell wall of a gram-positive bacteria? Options are absent tachyoic acid, thick cell wall, absent lipid, absent sulfur containing amino acid. The correct answer is absent tachyoic acid. Which of the following is considered under acute neuropsychiatric complication of AIDS? Options are organic hallucinosis, delirium, organic personality disorder, AIDS dementia. The correct answer is delirium. What should the initial action of a medical surgical nurse be if a patient develops slur speech and disorient to time and place who sustained a head injury 24 hours ago? Options are continue the hourly neurogenic assessment, prepare the patient for emergency surgery, inform the neurosurgeon of the patient status, recheck the patient neurological status in 15 minutes. So, if the person develops slur speech and disorient from time to time, then the first action of the nurse is to inform the neurosurgeon of the patient status. The trend of development that follow head to foot is called, options are cephalocaudal, mastospecific, centripetal, proximodistal. So from head to foot development is called cephalocaudal. Mastospecific means what? General to specific function development. Centripetal means development from more focus on its center development like in plants. Proximodistal means more general function develop before more specific or fine motor skill. Inflammation of the fallopian tube is caused by, options are vaginitis, salpingitis, endometritis, cervicitis. The correct answer is salpingitis. Salpingitis caused by bacterial infection. Common cause is sexual transmitted disease such as gonorrhea and chlamydia. Which of the following is an immediate treatment given to a patient with an excessive bleeding from an open fracture? Options are treat for shock, immobilization, pressure dressing to control bleeding, bringing bones to normal position. So in open fracture, which is the immediate treatment? Pressure dressing to control the bleeding. What is the normal range of pulse rate of a child of 1 to 2 years? Options are 60 to 100 beat per minute, 80 to 130 beat per minute, 76 to 120 beat per minute, 120 to 160 beat per minute. The correct answer is 80 to 130 beats per minute. Which of the following is not a clotting factor? इनमें से कौन सा clotting factor नहीं है? Options are fibrinogen, sodium, calcium, prothrombin. So the correct answer is sodium. Sodium clotting factor नहीं होता है. Name the scientist who first observed and report bacteria. Options are Frackentorius, von Plaisis, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, Kircher. So who first observed and report bacteria? Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Next question. Which of the following sexually transmitted disease has a bacterial origin? इनमें से कौन सी एसटीडी बैक्टीरिया की वजह से होती है? ऑप्शंस आर ट्राइकोमोनास वेजिनाइटिस, सिफिलिस, स्कैबीज, हेपेटाइटिस बी. So bacterial origin STD is syphilis. A surgical patient in his unit had a fall from his bed on the second post-operative day, and accidentally the feeding tube dislodged from the nose. On assessment, the patient was looking irritable and reported pain in the area of surgical incision. Therefore, mentioned issue was to be documented as an unusual event as it occurred at the healthcare facility. Being a nurse, which of the following report do you consider in reporting? So, post-op patient on the second day accidentally अपने बेड से गिर जाता है और वो बिकॉज वो हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी के अंदर गिरता है, तो बीइंग अ नर्स हमारा फर्स्ट एक्शन क्या होता है और हम उस टाइम पे कौन सी रिपोर्ट को लिखेंगे? ऑप्शंस आर शिफ्ट इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट, पेशेंट इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट, ऑफेंस इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट, एम्प्लॉय इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज पेशेंट इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट, बिकॉज पेशेंट को इंजरी हुई है, दैट्स वाई अपन पेशेंट इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट लिखेंगे. शिफ्ट इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट हम तब लिखते हैं जब हम अपनी शिफ्ट चेंज करते हैं और उसके दौरान कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, तो शिफ्ट इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट लिखी जाती है. ऑफेंस इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट तब लिखी जाती है जब कोई क्राइम एक्टिविटी होती है. एंड एम्प्लॉय इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट तब लिखी जाती है जब हम उस एम्प्लॉय की अपग्रेडिंग सिस्टम करते हैं, उस समय पे एम्प्लॉय इंसिडेंस रिपोर्ट लिखी जाती है. The dusky hue of the vestibule and anterior vaginal wall due to local vascular congestion is called as, options are Chadwick sign, Human sign, Osiander sign, Goodell sign. The correct answer is Chadwick sign. Human sign means what? Pain in the calf muscles at the dorsiflexion of foot. Osiander signs means pulsation at the vagina. Goodell sign means softening of the cervix. Which of the following is not a screening examination of breast cancer? इनमें से कौन सा स्क्रीनिंग एग्जामिनेशन नहीं होता है फॉर द ब्रेस्ट कैंसर? ऑप्शंस आर इंट्रावीनस पाइलोग्राफी, ब्रेस्ट इमेजिंग, ब्रेस्ट बायोप्सी, क्लिनिकल ब्रेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन. सो इट्स क्लियर. Intravenous pyelography. It is the X-ray examination of the kidney, uterus, ureters. Which site is used to assess the status of circulation to lower arm and auscultate blood pressure? So हम कौन सी साइट यूज़ करते हैं to auscultate blood pressure? Brachial, temporal, axillary or apical? So the correct answer is brachial. Increased uterine blood flow occur at regular interval or loss of more than 80 ml of blood is called as, options are epimenorrhea, metromenorrhagia, hypermenorrhea, cryptomenorrhea. The correct answer is hypermenorrhea. Next question. In which of the following condition are mentholated drops contraindicated? इनमें से कौन सी कंडीशन में हम mentholated drops नहीं यूज़ करते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर sprain, ऑर्थोआर्थराइटिस, broken skin, low backache. Obviously, at the broken skin, we don't use mentholated drops. Next question. Cold application is also called as, options are TENS, physiotherapy, cryotherapy, acupressure. So cold application is also called as cryotherapy. Other options are TENS means transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation therapy, involve the use of low voltage electric currents to treat pain. Physiotherapy can be defined as a treatment method that focuses on the science of movement and help people to restore, maintain and maximize their physical strength. Acupressure means it is a physical pressure is applied to acupuncture points. Which of the following is not responsible for bloody sanguineous discharge from the nipples? Options are duct ectasia, intraductal papilloma, oral contraceptive, intraductal cancer. So the correct answer is oral contraceptives. Duct ectasia means it is a benign breast condition that occurs when a milk duct in the breast widens and its wall thickens. Intraductal papilloma means it is a small benign tumor that forms in a milk duct in the breast. And intraductal cancer means it is the condition characterized by proliferation of malignant cell in the lining of the breast duct. What is the average incubation period of chickenpox? Options are 1 to 2 days, 7 to 12 days, 30 to 35 days, 25 to 30 days. So the incubation period of chickenpox is 7 to 12 days. Chickenpox means what? It is the highly contagious viral infection which is caused itchy blister like rashes on skin. It is caused by varicella zoster virus. Next question. Which of the following is not a medico-psychiatric condition? इनमें से कौन सी medico-psychiatric condition नहीं है? Options are agitated depression, insulinoma, hyperthyroidism, angina. So the correct answer is agitated depression. Rest all are medico-psychiatric condition. During a performance appraisal, if the head nurse commit an error, it is called. अगर हेड नर्स से गलती हो जाए परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल के दौरान तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? ऑप्शंस आर सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी एरर, हॉर्न्स इफेक्ट, हेलो इफेक्ट, पेयर्ड कंपैरिजन. So it is called halo effect. Question. Which of the following is the preferred site of intramuscular injection in infant? So कौन सी मसल्स के अंदर हम इंजेक्शन देते हैं इन्फेंट्स में? ऑप्शंस आर ट्राइसेप मसल्स, वास्टस लैटरलिस मसल्स, ग्लूटेल मसल्स, डेल्टॉइड मसल्स. So the correct answer is vastus lateralis muscles. It is the most common site for injection in infant. What is the ideal length of insertion of rectal suppository in an adult? So the options are 10 inch beyond internal sphincters, 9 inch beyond internal sphincters, 4 inch beyond internal sphincters, 2 inch beyond internal sphincters. So कितना लेंथ होता है? 4 inch beyond internal sphincters. चिकनगुनिया स्पीशीज बिलोंग टू विच फैमिली? सो कौन सी फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है? ऑप्शंस आर रियोविरिडे, टोगाविरिडे, फ्लैविविरिडे, बुनियाविरिडे. सो इट्स बिलोंग फ्रॉम टोगाविरिडे फैमिली. हाउ शुड अ नर्स एडमिनिस्टर एन आयरन इंजेक्शन टू एन अडल्ट? आयरन इंजेक्शन कैसे एडमिनिस्टर करते हैं अडल्ट में? ऑप्शंस आर इंट्राडर्मल इन द फोर आर्म, सबक्यूटेनियस इन द आर्म, इंट्रामस्कुलर इन द डेल्टॉइड, जेट ट्रैक इंट्रामस्कुलर इन द ग्लूटियल. So the correct answer is jet track intramuscular in the gluteal. The reason behind this is to lock the injection inside the muscles. Which gland should be seen first by the nurse who is preparing to make rounds? Options are a 70-year-old with congestive heart failure, 2-year-old with hand and foot syndrome, 42-year-old with resolving pancreatitis, 50-year-old with the Cushing disease. सो इनमें से नर्स सबसे फर्स्ट किसको देखेगी, कौन से पेशेंट को देखेगी? ऑप्शंस ए 70-year-old विथ कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर, बिकॉज इन सब में से फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी वो 70-year-old विथ कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर वाले पेशेंट को देगी. बाकी सारे पेशेंट्स की कंडीशन स्टेबल है रिलेटेड टू दिस. क्वेश्चन, एट व्हाट एज डज अ चाइल्ड नॉर्मली डेवलप सोशल स्माइल माइलस्टोन? ऑप्शंस आर 4 weeks, 16 weeks, 12 weeks, 8 weeks. So social smile developed at 8 weeks, that is 2 months. The most common preventable complication of abdominal surgery is atelectasis, thrombophlebitis, urinary retention, fluid and electrolyte imbalance. The correct answer is atelectasis. Compression of bleeding carotid artery immediately leads to, options are loss of sense of smell, stroke, vomiting, blindness. सो अगर हम कैरोटिड आर्टरी को कंप्रेस कर देंगे तो ये क्या करेगा? स्ट्रोक की कंडीशन, बिकॉज it cut off the supply to the brain. That is why stroke condition is occur. Which among the following is not a feature of false labor pain? False labor pain का feature कौन सा नहीं है? Options are continuous and unrelated with hardening of uterus, relieved by enema, no effect on dilation of cervix, formation of bag of water. सो फॉल्स लेबर पेन का फीचर में से कौन सा नहीं है? दैट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बैग ऑफ वाटर, बिकॉज इट इज द साइन ऑफ ट्रू लेबर पेन. नेक्स्ट, अ नर्स एंटर्स अ रूम एंड फाइंड अ क्लाइंट लाइंग ऑन द फ्लोर. विच एक्शन शुड द नर्स परफॉर्म फर्स्ट? एक पेशेंट को अगर फ्लोर पे देखकर नर्स फर्स्ट एक्शन कौन सा करेगी? असिस्ट द क्लाइंट बैक टू बेड, कॉल फॉर हेल्प टू गेट द क्लाइंट बैक इन बेड, ask the client what happened, establish whether the client is responsive. So the first action nurse performed is establish whether the client is responsive. If he is not responsive, that he should be start CPR or call for help. What is the site of referred pain when pain in arising from cervix? Options are lower sacral region, above the mid-inguinal point, anterior and medial aspects of thigh, upper sacral region. So option answer is upper sacral region. Question, which of the following is a long-term effect of medical complication of alcoholism? So long-term effect of alcoholism is, options are paranoia, delirium tremens, depression, Korsakoff psychosis. So long-term medical complication of alcoholism is Korsakoff psychosis. Question, which of the following infection is an airborne viral infection? Options are streptococcal sore throat, influenza, diphtheria, whooping cough. सो एयरबोर्न वायरल इन्फेक्शन इनमें से कौन सा है? इन्फ्लुएंजा. नो नॉट मी रिएक्शन ऑफ द पेशेंट इज सीन इन विच स्टेज ऑफ डेथ? ऑप्शंस आर डिनाइल, एक्सेप्टेंस, एंगर, बार्गेनिंग. इनमें से कौन सी नॉट मी रिएक्शन दिखती है? आंसर इज डिनाइल. इसमें पेशेंट टोटली डिनाइल करता है अपनी प्रेजेंट कंडीशन के रिगार्डिंग. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेबीज आर टर्म्ड एज पोस्ट टर्म बेबीज? ऑप्शंस आर 33 to 35 week of gestation, 39 to 41 week of gestation, 36 to 38 week of gestation, more than 42 week of gestation. सो पोस्ट टर्म बेबीज इनमें से कौन से होंगे? more than 42 weeks of gestation. Thank you.